guess where I am? I am parked right now. I'm getting ready for SAVE, Southeast Adventure Vehicle Expo. You hear that clang in the back? They're actually putting up the fence posts because we got to get parking ready for all of these campers that are going to be here. I'm over in the influencer section, and I can't wait to meet some really cool friends and fans and followers and community. You know, that's what it's all about. So hoping to see some people I haven't met, you know, make some new friends along the way, and check out some new vendors. I've got a lot of really cool vendors this weekend. So let's go. All right, this is the Creators Corner. We got lots of people here, lots of cool Jeeps and trucks and tents, and oh my gosh, look at this, truck campers. So many cool creators. Very excited about this. And don't forget the vans, lots and lots of vans. Okay, let's talk about this. What's the one thing every woman should probably have?
Every woman should absolutely have the ability to protect themselves.
I like that.
And a Byrna is an option to do exactly that. So it's a less lethal option. It's not a replacement for an actual firearm, but it is an option that allows you to protect yourself. It is CO2 powered. It shoots 3 different kinds of rounds. It shoots a hard kinetic round that does not break open, and it shoots 2 different kinds of chemical rounds, both a pepper and a pepper tear gas mix. This shoots at 280 feet per second. So if you get hit by it, you can see over here is the impact of getting hit by a Byrna at 60 feet away. So it pierces the skin, but did not penetrate. Less likely to kill somebody. What I really like about it from a woman's perspective is it has 0 recoil. And it sounds like a balloon popping. And I can demonstrate that to you. You're not going to hear the balloon popping because I don't have a CO2 cartridge in. When I'm ready to fire, all I do is take it from safety to fire. And watch closely. That's it. No recoil at all. Recoil to me is very scary. The sound of a firearm is very scary. And the thought of killing somebody is very scary. So again, legal in 50 states, no permitting, no licensing, and no background checks. So it allows people to have options to be able to protect themselves in a very responsible way.
Okay, so look at all these options. You could do a paper towel holder. Ooh, look at the drinks. Love that. Trash can. Nice little kitchen area. Look at this. How cool. John, tell me a little bit about Sunshine State Adventure Company.
Yeah, absolutely. So Sunshine State Adventure Company started out with just one route. It's a 1,200-mile route throughout Florida. It's an adventure route. So you can go on our website, download this 1,200-mile route that has all your campsites marked, points of interest, historical landmarks, great restaurants. All of that is marked along our trail. It's about 60% off-road, 40% paved, and that was how we started. And now we have 2 new routes that we just released. One of them is called the Panhandle Adventure Trail. It's a 700-mile route that goes from Jacksonville all the way across the top of the state. And then our newest route is called the SOFAT, the Southern Florida Adventure Trail, and that connects into the bottom part of the Florida Adventure Trail, goes all the way to the Keys and back. same thing. Points of interest, waypoints, historical landmarks, all of that is marked for you. So all of that together creates about 3,000 miles, over 3,000 miles of adventure routes here in Florida, all connected together. It's a huge trip. It would take you about 2.5 weeks to do. So Florida now has the longest adventure route in the United States.
How do people find this?
Yeah, they can head on over to sunshinestateadvco.com, and all of the information that you need to get that going, to download those routes, is on there. Right now we have our trail bundle. It gets you all 3 of those routes for $49.95. It's a one-click download thing, and you can upload it to whatever mapping device, GPS that you use, whether that's Onyx. Some folks use Gaia, Avenza. It works with pretty much anything. So you download those GPX files and you can go from there. You can also buy the individual routes on our website as well, and they're about $20 a piece for the download. So make sure you head on over to sunshinestateadvco.com, and we believe that you will be able to find adventure in your own backyard here in Florida. You're going to have a great time. Thanks for checking us out.
So this is a Panthera. It's on a Ford.
It's on an F350.
F350,
This
all
was
right.
a dually that we converted to a super single.
Love this. Going for around a little over 250, which is nice. Okay, understood.
It's got a
Give me.
6.7 liter power stroke, making 1,050 foot-pounds of torque right from Ford.
All right, can we walk in?
Absolutely.
Okay, we're
You
walking
have an
in.
overlanding step right there, so you don't lose any
Love
ground
that.
clearance.
Ooh, guys, take a look at this.
To your right, we have almost a king-size bed up here, and then you have access through here with a ladder that pulls out to get up there. So that gives you access to the bed. We're doing 600 watts of solar, 600 amp hours of battle-borne lithium batteries. These are pretty nifty. They brighten and dim as
Love that.
you use it.
You've got access to the cab.
Mhm.
Very important.
We're using a Rixon heating system, so everything operates off the diesel fuel of the truck. With the induction cooktop, you don't have to go get propane or any sort of separate fuel. We do offer a microwave upgrade to a convection microwave, which is a little bigger, so we'll relocate that here and then make this a cabinet. You do have a wet bath in there, which is really nice for a vehicle of this size platform. We get a lot of good feedback on that. The Arctic Turn windows are super cool. They have the built-in blinds or screens. They're also insulated. They have the detents. We use solid maple cabinetry. We're offering an LT version that will use aluminum cabinetry as well too.
Okay, so this man's been feeding everybody. He's making pizza night.
Beating everybody.
Feeding everybody. So it's official, we're here checking out everything. There's so many vendors, lots of really cool vans and rigs and campers and just products and you know what. And there's also an airport over here, and some guys doing a nice little air show. Take a look at this. So what's the retail on this?
So I'll have to check at what MSRP is on it because of the way it's optioned out. But right now we're selling it for about 95.
95,000.
Yep, that's going to be the way it's optioned out because you can get a lot of different options on these. This one has the air ride suspension. It has the full solar battery package, which is 1,080 amp hours of lithium batteries and about 1,400 watts total of solar. That's the only upgrades this one has. So base price on this one's about in the mid 80s, and then it just ramps up from there. Fully loaded out is about 117.
Okay. And the name and the name of the actual unit is called?
Yeah, this is the Palomino Pause Reboot, and this particular model is a 17.4.
How is it? How is it?
As from Bryant, all is good.
Hold on. We gotta get.
Are you sure? Or did you actually make this?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Well, I can't take all the credit. Myself and my sous chef, Miss Molly.
There you go.
Help me.
Miss Molly. Rocking the stove. There you go. They come in all shapes and sizes here at the Southeast Overland Expo. Some of them come in small size. We get everything from camper vans to pull behinds to on top of Jeeps, on top of Toyotas. All right, so these guys are in line to do this course, which is really cool. It's an obstacle course. Okay.
That guy's crazy.
So there's a plate here,
He's
but
doing barrel
we're gonna,
rolls and
we got cool stuff going on. Okay, so we're making a what?
making a Colombian hot dog.
Okay.
So you're gonna take a regular hot dog, throw that in the bun.
Okay.
Then we take some pineapple sauce here. Throw some pineapple sauce in it.
Pineapple sauce.
Then from here,
All right.
take a little pink sauce, which is just ketchup and mayo.
Okay. We call that yum yum sauce.
Yep, yum, very close. Then, take some coleslaw right here. A little messy, but it's good.
Okay.
A little coleslaw on top.
Okay.
Then,
But wait, there's more.
but wait, there's more. Some crushed up potato chips. Top it off. And
Wow.
that is a Colombian hot dog right there.
Ooh la la, this looks delicious. Okay. Have you tried one?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you think it's gonna taste? 1 is yucky, 10 is yummy.
Probably
Well, he cooked half.
an 8 out of 5.
8.
Eight? Okay, the pineapple.
Are you ready? Yep. Okay, here we go. We're taking our first bite. Ah! Mmm. Finger looking good.
Hey! Hey!
Okay, we're here because it's raffle time, and they're gonna win. They're always gonna win. I'm just here to cheer them on. That's all.
It's always fun to be with Charlie.
Oh,
She's the best.
okay, so I'm at a bonfire, campfire, hanging out tonight with some friends. That's pretty much what we're doing every night here at the Overland Expo. It's just hanging out with friends, having a great time, and just enjoying the evening. time to leave the Southeast Adventure Vehicle Expo. It's been so much fun. A lot of really cool people, a lot of cool friends. The off-roading was amazing. So if you're into overlanding, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe and that bell to get notified when I put all these really cool videos out. You'll be the first to know. Until then, just remember, every day's an adventure.